Most people get this wrong and assume you can simply click a refund button after buying a Google Play gift card. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, Google Play gift cards are treated like cash once purchased, which makes refunds more strict than regular app purchases. In this video, you'll learn exactly when you can get a refund, how the process works, and what to do if your gift card purchase went wrong so you don't lose your money. Let's start with the key idea. Once a Google Play gift card is redeemed, it cannot be refunded. That balance becomes permanent in your Google account. So if someone like Alex already scratched and used the code, a refund is almost impossible. Now here's where it gets interesting. Refunds are only possible in very specific situations, and timing is everything. If Jake just bought the gift card but has not redeemed it yet, there is still a chance to request a refund, depending on where it was purchased. But here's the problem most people run into. They try contacting Google first, but Google usually does not handle refunds for physical gift cards bought from retail stores. Instead, the refund has to come from the store or platform where the card was purchased. Let's go step by step. First, identify where you bought the gift card. If it was from a physical store like a supermarket or electronics shop, you must go back there with your receipt. Most stores require proof of purchase and the card itself still unused. Second, if you bought it online from Google Play directly or a digital retailer, log into your account and check your order history. Look for the transaction and open a refund request immediately. The faster you act, the higher your chance of approval. Now here's a key detail many users miss. Refund eligibility depends heavily on whether the code has been revealed or redeemed. Once the scratch code is exposed or used, most companies automatically mark it as non-refundable for security reasons. If the store refuses, you can escalate by contacting customer support of the retailer or payment provider. Sometimes banks or digital wallets can help dispute the transaction, especially if there was a billing error or accidental duplicate purchase. Also, be careful of scams. If someone promises instant refund services for gift cards, that is usually fake and can lead to losing even more money. So to summarize clearly, Google Play gift card refunds are possible only before redemption and usually only through the original seller. After redemption, refunds are almost never allowed. The best strategy is acting quickly, keeping your receipt, and contacting the correct support channel right away. If this helped you understand the process, like the video, comment your situation, and subscribe for more clear guides that actually save you time and money.